Hello guys, what's up? I'm going to do some speed stacking today. And today, that's one of my talents, speed stacking, but I've been not doing it for long. I also know how to solve a Rubik's Cube. This is a Cyclone Boys. And I might do in this video. And I got a timer for Christmas. This is 2018. So, Happy New Year guys. If you're new to this video, please subscribe to this channel, okay? And if you get up to 20 subscribers, I'm going to do a die stacking video, okay? 3, 2, 1, go. Eighteen seconds, guys. So I'm gonna try to do it again, but it's going to be the 3x3x3. I'm going to do freestyle after, okay? So out of the way. That's the training one, okay? This is 5 seconds, okay? That's my 5 seconds. And I can do here. This is going to be the for 360. The first one I did was a cycle. I'm going to do that again, okay? You get 5 seconds again. See that? Okay. I'm going to do the cycle again. This time I got 17 seconds. See that? If I'm gonna do that again, and then after I'm gonna move on to my second boy's Rubik's Cube, okay? Oh, maybe I'll do one more, but it's gonna be freestyle, okay? I got 19 seconds this time. So this is the last one. It's going to be freestyle, okay? This is what you call this is a freestyle thing, but if you don't want to do it, you don't have to, but I have to freestyle. I have enough space, so it's more harder for me to do this. And so okay, that's my practice. So yeah, that's the freestyle. So I got 21 seconds. Okay, now I'm going to scramble up this Rubik's Cube. This usually takes me like a minute, but sometimes it depends on the Rubik's Cube, okay? This is a Cyclone Boys version. I have other cubes though, but I'll show them after the end of this, okay? I'll try and solve it in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh no, that's so weird. Okay, so that's a green.
I saw it and I was like,
From Renters Insurance to rewards credit cards, State Farm is here to help.
This sometimes locks in, so it might be slow for me. So yeah. The whole Rubik's Cube, I did it in 1 minute and I think it's 52 minutes, okay? So yeah. That's the other one, and I'm going to show you the rest of my other Rubik's Cube. So this used to be a really good Rubik's Cube, but then the sides, these two pieces cannot be solved since I don't know what happened to them. This one I peeled off the stickers and then I broke it and then I refixed it. It's kind of smooth. This one is a mirror cube, a 3x3, and this is a magic snake. Okay. I'm gonna do one more step, okay? So yeah. Practice. It doesn't matter, like I don't care if I fail. But this is my other one. I don't care if that fails. Okay, 22 seconds. Bye guys, subscribe, 20 subscribers to see die stacking. And these are speed stacking and Rubik's Cube. See ya!